Yeah, man, see, I see what's going on, right? You see that boat is completely stripped. That boat is completely stripped, y'all. Trying to get y'all a better angle. I already made a hole for drilling in. Ain't nothing stop me, bro. You feel me? That's what I'm back on. Ain't nothing stopping me, bro.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like frog leg. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Yes, sir, man. Maddmarkscars back with another one. Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't. Like, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't, man. Fuck Chevy. I already know what's going on. You feel me? So much money, love, and teach me and putting this car in. Hey, man. I'm back on it. You see how she got Maddmarkscars shirt on, you feel me? You see what's working, you see how we're going, you see how we're going, you see how we're doing, you see how we're going, you see how we're doing. You feel me? Back in my Grizzly, man. You feel me? My boy Saint over there, man. On a big reason why I keep going, man. You feel me? Home like this here, he want no partner gonna get on your ass, man. Hey, bro, you tripping, bro. You need to come on, get on about the truck. But yeah, man, he be like, you tripping, bro. You gotta go on and get back to doing you. You feel me? There be a lot of stuff going on. I can't even lie. There's a lot of stuff be going on. And I really don't be in the mood to really fool with the car like that, bro. But I'm like, bro, that's my piece, bro. I gotta get back on it, bro. So I'm back on it, bro. You feel me? See what's going on. Like I said, I had started just paying other people to do my work, man. I can do this shit myself, man. You feel me? It ain't rocket science, bro. Me and my uncle keep saying that we're gonna get back, you know what I'm saying? Doing all this stuff, bro. So fuck it, bro. You feel me? I save me some money. At the same time, I learned some stuff while I'm going. And I feel even better by the results because I did it. You feel me? I feel even better by the results because I did it. You know what I'm saying? So we back on it. Like I said, last night, I jacked this thing up on the jack stand just to come find out. Just to find out my jack that I have. Oh yeah, man, real orangey in here. Real orangey tangerine. Orangey tangerine. You feel me? Suede, by the way, fool. But I'm gonna take that down, bro. I'm gonna get a brain blow, bro. But I'm still going suede, you feel me? Yeah, man. But nah, like I was saying, my jack, one thing I realized last night, I never realized, this jack isn't big enough. So I can't jack the car up as high as I want to because it's not long enough to, you know what I'm saying? So therefore, the box Chevy sitting on the jack stand, right? Look what it's on, look what level it's on. It's on the first level, bro. Like the first level, bro. Like, that's the first level. You feel me? Over there, that's the first level. But yeah, I see we in this dirt. So that's why I got the wood up under. So, you know, that shit gonna dig right in the dirt. You ain't got nothing up under there. And the reason I did move it from right here to the driveway is because the battery dead. I started to let a lot of stuff stop me from doing what I do. You know what I'm saying? Like how I just said the battery dead, so I can't move the car. Fuck it. You feel me? We're gonna improvise. We put something down right here on the soil, on the dirt, so I can still get the job done. You feel me? That's how I use the rock. And I'm trying to get back to that. You feel me? That's how I use the rock. I usually let nothing stop me, bro. And you feel me? That's what I'm back on. Ain't nothing stopping me, bro. If I come across a problem, guess what? We're gonna fix it somehow, some way. We're gonna make it happen. You feel me? Somehow, some way, we're gonna make it happen, bro. But y'all stay tuned in, man. Maddmarkscars, man. Yeah, man. See, y'all see what's going on, right? Y'all see what's going on. You see that boat is completely stripped. That boat is completely stripped, y'all. Trying to get y'all a better angle. You see, I already got a hole that I can make from drilling in. Yeah. I already made a hole for drilling in. So we're going to keep drilling. I showed y'all that long bit I had to grab. Got a long bit. Come from over here, the angle. You know, I got my cutting oil. Y'all can have that cutting oil, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just put a little, you know what I'm saying, on my finger. You know what I'm saying? Put something on the bit. And on the screw for the boat. We get back in it. I say put your towel down inside your rear end unit so those shavings and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying, won't go inside. I'm gonna clean it up in here anyway. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just letting y'all know, like, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you have something in here. So you don't want those shavings to get caught up in here and you forget to clean it or you don't clean it. And those shavings everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all put a towel down right here, anything, a cloth, anything, right? Make sure you put something down right here. Make sure you do that. That's drilling. Yeah, y'all look weird now. Wish I had some air to blow. Let me show y'all a little better. We're gonna go a little more. Oh, I'll keep checking to make sure, y'all. Keep checking to make sure. I could probably put one of them extract things in there and pull that guy right on out. Drill low. See how deep that hole is. Yeah, too deep. Y'all see? I got that hole in that boat straight through. I didn't even use. I only had a long drill bit that I bought. The kit requires the drill bit and a bolt that goes in there with a hole through it so you can guide the drill bit. I didn't even have that, but I still did a good job at putting a hole in that boat. Last time to keep going through and get it straightened out. Y'all stay tuned in, man. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm really pissed off. But how about the extractor screw broke off into the boat, y'all? The extractor screw broke off into the boat, y'all. So now, like, man, God. Boy, this boy Chevy, boy, this damn really is something serious, boy. Like, bro, why couldn't the boat just come out from the start? Like, golly, bro. Like, the Yukon, like, y'all gotta make that piece different. Oh, but I don't know what, bro. Like, oh, bro. This truck is holding me up, bro. I gotta figure this out, bro. So I'm going to get a left-hand drill bit. Basically, the drill bit gonna go to the left instead of going to the right. And I'm just trying to drill in, bro. Like, somebody on my Instagram told me, if you drill, it might just come out. So I'm gonna try that, bro. Oh my fucking God, bro. Like, bro, this is so frustrating, y'all. Y'all don't understand. But y'all don't understand how frustrating this is, bro. I just need to change the axle seals. All I'm trying to do is change the axle seals, bro. God, bro. That's why you do stuff yourself. Bro, the axle seals now should have been changed anyway when the rear end got the work done to it, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like man, it's like so frustrating, bro. Bro, y'all understand, bro. I'm keeping my cool. But it's frustrating, boy. Man, I had to get on here and let y'all know what was going on, man, because, bro, I was so pissed off while I record. Like, bro, I was so pissed off while doing it, I couldn't even record it, bro. Like, I was pissed off, bro. Like, it seemed like it was working. That motherfucker snap, pop, oh! But it seemed like the screw moved, then it pop. Oh, man. So, man, back to square one. Now I got a bolt. Now I got a part of an extractor screw inside of the bolt that needs to come out. So now I got to drill through the extractor screws. Oh, but this is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. And I think the drill bit dull now. So I got to get another drill. Well, I'm going left anyway. I'm going to go get a left one anyway, so. Bruh. Y'all been on me. Y'all been with me through this box series journey, bro. Bro, y'all been with me this whole box Chevy journey, bro. From start to now, bro. This been the hardest. Why? This is like the hardest. Like, I ain't gonna lie, the seat belts. The screws, the bolts of the seat belts to the frame of the car. I ain't gonna lie, the seat belts, the bolt that goes to the ground of the car, them things were hard to get out too, bro. But it's nothing like this cross pin bolt, bro. This cross pin bolt, bro. Woo! Oh boy, that cross pin bolt do not want to come out worth a damn, boy. Like, there's no way. And I'm trying to see, like, I wanted the black use an air gun. Like, bro, that thing is not coming off, bro. So, I gotta figure this out, man. Maddmarkscars, man. I so keep going. We ain't gonna let it discourage me, though. You know, keep going, try to figure it out. Push come to shove, I gotta cut the whole unit off and buy another unit. I don't wanna do that, but if I can't get the bolt out, I'm gonna have to cut the unit.